In this video, we're going to start addressing the skills on the resume. If you watched the last video, we started by addressing what do you want to do next? And then the rest of the resume is going to be built off of that. The next thing to do after you figure out what you want to do next is get a 2 to 3 word summary of your skill set. And you'll see here in the About section, we have that in the very beginning, a 2 to 3 word summary of your skill set. Here for Derek, we came up with adaptable YouTube specialist. You might come up with something different. You might come up with, other than saying adaptable, you might find, well, I'm very curious, or I'm very dependable, or I'm very energetic. Whatever the qualifiers, whatever the phrases that you come up with to summarize your skill set, put it front and center on the About section at the top of your resume. So you might come up with, for example, a curious tactician. I am a dependable engineer. Whatever it is, put it down here, and that's something that we're going to be building off the rest of the resume from. So we're layering, we're building off of the previous step. First, we identified what do you want to do next. Now we're identifying this 2 to 3 word summary of your skill set. Why is this important? There's 2 reasons. One, it's going to help you to hone in on the specifics of your skill set. Before we start highlighting specific skills, let's start by a high-level summary. But the second thing that it does is anybody looking at your resume, within a moment, the moment that they look at the About section, within a moment of reading your About section, is going to understand a high-level summary of your skill set. Adaptable YouTube specialist, I got it. They can keep reading, but in a moment they have an understanding of what your skill set, the summary of your skill set. This is really helpful for hiring managers. If you have a hiring manager that is looking through maybe 10, 20, 100 resumes, and they're having to analyze those resumes to figure out what that person's skill set looks like, having a very quick high-level summary here is great. And let's look again. So how easy is that? We look at this resume, adaptable YouTube specialist, and then there's going to be more detail, obviously, but adaptable YouTube specialist. Okay, I got it. Okay, so Derek's adaptable. He's got a specialty in YouTube. Got it. Let's look at Derek's resume. This is the resume that Derek and I worked on together. Let's look at resume before, the original resume, before Derek and I worked on it. And again, like the previous video, as we went through Derek's original resume, the only way to figure out a high-level summary is by reading through this resume and analyzing the job description, or the job titles that he's had, and analyzing the bullets. And one thing, for example, here, if you just look at the job titles, you'll see YouTube Operations Coordinator, Senior YouTube Operations Specialist, and then you'll see Music Rights Management. Now, when I talked to Derek, it turned out that this role was less related to what he's looking to do next, whereas these two are more related. So we ended up moving, because we're layering here. We start with what he's wanting to do next, then we look at what is the summary of his skill set. We end up highlighting these two, but rather than somebody having to do any of that analysis, analyzing through the job description, or the job titles and the bullets in the resume, rather than having to do any of that, when you surface this at the very beginning, within a moment, someone's going to be able to see a high-level summary of what your skill set is. In the next video, we're going to cover these 3 skills that you'll see. Whenever I'm updating a resume for someone, I try to focus on 3 skills and highlighting those. They're built off of the previous 2 steps, so they built off of identifying what the person wants to do next, what do you want to do next, and then identifying what's the high-level summary of the skill set. The third step, before we get to the work experience, is highlighting 3 skills that you want to do in the next position. And that's something we're going to cover in the next video, which will be available on Wednesday. We're going to have this channel is going to have a weekly cadence. Every Wednesday there's going to be a new video, and next video is going to be covering that topic. Derek is one of a handful of people who have taken advantage of the free resume and career coaching that I've been offering recently. If you are someone who needs help with your resume or career coaching, leave a comment on the video and I will follow up with you. More to come. Thanks so much.